Well, long time no hauls, but I've been doing a lot of shopping. So today we have a very big try-on haul, which I'm very excited to share with you all. However, it is currently 30 degrees in the UK, and I don't have air conditioning. If you're not from the UK, you might not know that lots of people don't have aircon in their houses. It's not very common because nor is it very common that it's ever this hot here. But the reason I'm telling you this is because if at any point throughout this video I look like I am dripping with sweat, it is because I am. I'm very warm, but I'm dedicated to the cause and I want to show you all of the bits that I've picked up. So let's start off first of all with outfit number one, which I'm currently wearing, which is a very monochrome cream look. Both the trousers and the top are from HERMES. Probably not really the day to be wearing knitwear. However, it is a very lightweight knit. And I am thinking more and more about the seasons ahead, although we're not gonna start talking about autumn just yet. I feel like it's a crime saying the A word this early. Even though it is my favourite season for fashion, I want to enjoy the summer first. But every year at this point in the year, I do start to think about the seasons ahead when I'm purchasing clothes. So I'm not purchasing things that I'm only going to get wear out for the next few weeks, but instead for months and months after that. So I thought this little knit top was a perfect addition to my wardrobe. Also think the texture of the knit against the tailored trousers looks really lovely too. I have to quickly tell you that these trousers are actually elasticated waist. They don't do up at the front, it's kind of a trick. So they have belt loops, so you can wear a belt with them, which I love, but they don't actually have a part where they fasten up at the front. Instead, they have an elasticated waist at the back, which means they're so incredibly comfy. And I feel like with a belt, just finished off the look so nicely. I also picked this one up from HERMES, but I did actually get this one the other day from HERMES. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, spontaneous unboxing for you all. I thought this would look so good with these trousers, but of course this one was a much cheaper alternative, but I wanted to show you both so we can decide which one I should keep. So just in case you didn't know, with HERMES belts, you get the leather, well not all of their belts, but lots of their belts where you add the buckle, you get the leather and then the buckle separately. So the leather is interchangeable, so you can then wear this belt with different buckles, which is actually really quite smart. And something else which is very cool about these belts is one side is one colour and the other side is another colour, and you can switch them round. So if I decide one day I want to wear a black belt, I can, or a cream belt, I can. Do you know what? I love it. Sorry, there's a mirror over here, so if I keep looking over here during this video, that is why. But I just think it looks so dainty and chic, very understated. However, I would say that I do think the HERMES one looks just as nice, and it is a fraction of the price, but this does look cute. And do you know what? It actually kind of matches my necklace. I just looked at it in the mirror and I only just really realised that. Like, look at this compared to my necklace. They look really good together. It's also made me realise how much I would love a handbag from HERMES in this colour, which is Nata, which is like the perfect cream. And HERMES Constance, a Birkin or a Kelly would be fab. HERMES Gods, you hear my prayers. I need to try and make that happen because a full monochrome look is not complete without a handbag. Something I do like about this belt more though is it's got more gold on it, so it's kind of picking up on the gold jewellery I'm wearing, which by the way is all from Pandora, as I'm very, very proudly working with them on this video. Lots of you will have seen a few of the pieces that I have on already because I wore them non-stop when I was in Ibiza, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see these bangles in many, many of my outfit posts. I feel like they just tie any look together so perfectly. No outfit, in my opinion, is complete without jewellery on. I'm going to show you all of the new bits that I picked up from Pandora. So let's start off with my necklace, which as I said, matches my belt. This is the chain link necklace, and the links are actually interchangeable, so you can swap them out for pave versions, which is exactly what I've done. I always love a little bit of a sparkle, and it really switches up the look. In my ears, you'll notice that I have gold hoops, and then another really fun earring, which appears as two piercings, but it is in fact one piercing plus an ear cuff. It gives the illusion of two, and I think it looks so fab worn against the hoops. I also have another set of earrings to show you, which are freshwater pearls. These look so beautiful worn with the two pearl necklaces I have from Pandora as well. Chunky one is another necklace you'll have seen countless times on my Ibiza trip. I also picked up just recently a daintier pearl necklace, which looks so pretty worn with it too. And I can also add my pearl rings to complete the pearl look. My rings, I have the infinity ring and of course the stacking rings. some other pieces that have not left my body just recently. But on my other wrist, I have some beautiful new bracelets to show you. Starting off first of all with this gold beaded one. As you can see, there's a pave bead just in the center there. I love this because it's so different to anything else I own, and it goes perfectly stacked next to the tennis bracelet. I need to take a moment for this tennis bracelet, okay, because if you've been watching my videos for any amount of time, you know how much I've been after a tennis bracelet, and this one sparkles so much in the light, I can't even tell you. And last but not least, I have a little charm bracelet which I've added a couple of charms to. You might notice that this first charm is a pearl, which looks so good with my pearl rings. I also have a little shark tooth because once again it's almost like a pearl end to this tooth, and it just really complements the rest of my pieces so well. And the last charm I picked up is my star sign because I am a Taurus. Of course, Pandora do so many different charms, and I think they make the perfect gift for your loved ones no matter what the occasion. I always say that when I passed my driving test, my nan got me a charm. When I passed a ballet exam, my mum got me a charm. She got me many charms throughout all my different birthdays. And it was only a few months back, one of my really close friends had a baby boy, and he is so cute. And my friends and I all clubbed together and got her a bracelet with a couple of charms on that she can wear every single day and keep it forever, and it will always remind her of a little baby boy. So I just think they're just the greatest gifts ever for your loved ones, but of course for yourself as well, because we love us too, okay? There's an absolutely huge jewellery lover, which I most definitely am. I really like the fact that you can customise the charm bracelets and just make them completely different. Of course, after my love for jewellery, my second greatest love are clothes. Okay, maybe actually second, beyond jewellery, it's handbags, and then it's clothes. But let's continue with the little try on haul. Okay, this is the shirt on. I think with the trousers, it's very much giving fall vibes, you know, like autumn vibes. I think if I was to wear it with a pair of shorts, it would be perfect for summer because it is very lightweight, but this is definitely giving kind of like season ahead. I do think it looks so nice worn with the gold jewellery. Like, you know, that is one of my favourite things, I'm going to be honest. Cream with gold, it is just so good, which is why I need that cream bag with the gold hardware. That is why I need it, because I love it so much. By the way, I didn't actually mention, but all of these jewellery pieces will be linked down below, including all of the clothes I'm going to show you in this video as well, so you can easily shop anything if you see anything you like. So the shirt, by the way, is mango. I'm wearing it in a size small, and I would say it fits maybe a little bit oversized. I'm usually a size medium in most stuff, but I went for a small, and there's still definitely room in this. But lovely quality. Something I would really like to do is change these buttons here for like a gold button instead. Loewe do a shirt which is really quite similar to this. A lot more expensive, I might add, but it's got gold buttons and it just looks gorgeous. So I might see if I can get some gold buttons and get my nan to sew them on, because I think it would kind of elevate the shirt a little bit more. But love this. In fact, I love the whole look. I do actually have one of my bags here with me, which, I mean, it looks nice, but a cream bag would be even better. Don't you agree? I hope you agree. Okay, next we have an all black look. One of my favourite looks. As we all know, this is when I feel most myself in an all black outfit. Do you know, I actually saw a meme the other day that says, if you tuck your t-shirt in like this, it means you're a millennial, which I most definitely am. So, you know, not ashamed to say it, but like, I always have to tuck a t-shirt in at the front. Like, I can't just wear it like this. In my opinion, it always looks better tucked. I am kind of starting to wonder if it does look better tucked or it does look a bit stupid. I don't know, you'll have to let me know. But how can I change a habit of a lifetime? At this point, I'm unsure. But this full look is also from Reese. I have to say I did a huge shop at Reese. A lot of these pieces are from them. I just think the quality is so good. It's definitely of a little bit of a higher price point, but as I say, the quality is just 10 out of 10. These trousers are actually exactly the same as the cream ones you've just seen, but they're in black. I am that person, if I get something and it fits me well, best believe I'm gonna buy it in every single colour, because it's rare when you find good trousers. Then I just have on a really basic plain black t-shirt. Sorry, I'm flipping my hair around because I am so hot right now. Then just style the look with a black handbag. I've actually been putting a little twilly on my Birkin just recently, and it makes me so happy. I think this looks so cute and adds something a little bit of fun to an all black look. I actually haven't seen my bags in a while because I mentioned this before, I don't actually keep my bags in my house anymore. So I don't see them for long periods of time, and I only see them for very short periods of time, which is very sad. But today I have them both with me, and it feels so good. But this is another super simple look, which I have to say is so great for summer, but also I can definitely wear this going into the new season. I also picked up a jacket, which looks like this. I also got this gold chain belt. I should probably try that on in just a moment too. I obviously went a little bit crazy on the belt just recently. I love an accessory, I really do. So this is the jacket I picked up. As you can see, it's got white piping on the outside. By the way, in Reese, if you want to know clothing size, I tend to wear everything in a UK 10. I do find that it does size a little bit big, but I don't know, I just prefer things to be a little bit looser rather than tight. I have got a few bits from them where I go down to an 8, like this jacket I definitely could have, but I just think, especially going into the cooler months, it's good to have a little bit more room so you can wear things like a roll neck underneath and it not feel too tight and bulky. I think this is such a timeless jacket, like it's never ever going to date. You could get it out year after year. It'd be a perfect jacket to wear in spring, but also in autumn and through the cooler days in summer as well. It's so nice. It's really beautifully made, and I always love like white against black. It also means it will go with so many different things. But like, I do actually think it would look great with jeans. I knew this was gonna look good with the jeans. I feel like it dresses it down quite a lot, makes it look a little bit more casual, but I love the contrast of the black against a blue jean. Always think it looks so good. And yeah, these jeans are lovely as well. They're super stretchy. These are also from Reese. I actually got these to wear with a white shirt. A very classic look, isn't it? A white shirt and jeans, but let's do it. I've moved you back a little bit because the light in here has gone a little bit odd. And I feel like if you're further back, it might look a little bit better. I'm hoping it's not too dark on camera, but I have the white shirt on. Having a bit of an issue though, like why do white shirts, or like any type of shirt, doesn't actually have to be white, but why are they so hard to tuck in? Like you always end up with this excess bit here. Like what do you do with it? If you tuck it down, you just end up with shirt like all here. Tell me a trick. Or maybe you just need to buy shorter shirts. Do they even exist? I'm unsure. But this is such a fail-safe outfit. Very classic. Blue jean and a white shirt. Honestly, you cannot go wrong. Could definitely wear this now, maybe not today because it's extremely hot, but probably next week and in the months to come it would be a perfect outfit. You could pop a trench coat over the top as it gets a little bit cooler too. Really like this, and you know what? This shirt would look also so nice against the cream trousers, and then like the gold accessories, the jewellery, the belt would look really lovely. I love like white against cream. Also, if you work in an office, a white shirt with those black trousers would be a perfect office look. Now, this is an outfit I'm actually not too sure on. I picked this up from H&M. They actually have some really cute bits in their new in section. I just don't think this looks great on me, personally. I think it's making me look very boxy. However, you could wear the jacket undone, but I can't because I've only got a bra on underneath. You don't need to be seeing me in my underwear, let me tell you. But I don't know. What do we think? Do you like it or not really? Won't be offended if you say not really. I always love the truth from you guys. Like when you're being nice, I don't go too harsh, okay, because I might start crying. I'm just not sure. It's giving boxy, do you know what I mean? But I do think this jacket would look quite nice with jeans rather than it being like the full co-ord worn together. Well, it's still definitely giving boxy, like the cut is still very much boxy, but I do like it against the jeans. I think it does look better than with the skirt. You know, like it was too matchy-matchy. It looked all a bit too formal in my opinion. But yeah, I do think this is a nice jacket. On me, don't think I'm going to keep it. The only thing as well I don't really love about it is the fact that, let me show you up close, but all of the buttons say H&M on them. Not being a hater, like I do like H&M. Love it, in fact. Have so many beautiful pieces from them. But do I want every single button on my jacket, and there's a lot of buttons, saying H&M? Not too sure. Let me just double check. Oh no, it doesn't actually say H&M, it says HERMES. Who's HERMES? Maybe we can pretend it says HERMES. Okay, I don't know what it means or what it says. I thought it said H&M. Honestly, am I okay? I'm not sure, but I just don't know. I just feel like the buttons would be nice if they were plain. They didn't have writing on them. That's just what I think anyway. Another outfit I got from H&M, which I have to say I'm not entirely sure on. As you can see, it's got the contrast black piping with the cream. I think it's nice, but maybe with the skirt, like it's a bit much, the same as the last co-ord set. Maybe this top would look nice with the cream trousers. Okay, I like this. I've done the millennial tuck again so you can see the belt. Maybe I shouldn't tuck it and just leave it like this, but I actually think this looks really nice with the cream trousers. They're a pretty perfect match as well. I mean, the cream's slightly different, but like, I think it still looks good. Yeah, I mean, I do actually really like this top. I think it's the skirt. I think both the co-ords from H&M, I mean, I think the skirts, the skirts, they just didn't look great on me. And I just don't know how much I love that whole like matchy, like complete look. I mean, I do like it a bit, but yeah, you just get my point. I wasn't sure there. But yeah, maybe I like this top like this. I think this is kind of nice. And it was a real bargain as well. Now, I'm not sure if you're all gonna hate this or love this, but I actually think it's so cute, and you heard it here first, you definitely didn't, but polka dots are very in this season. They're a thing, okay? And I actually think they're fun. Like, I think this is cute. So this is actually from Abercrombie. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how much I love the sleeves. I think it might have been better without the sleeves, but like, we're here. Something I do love about it though is the fact that it's got pockets. How cute is that? But I really envision this little, I wanna call it a dress, but it's in fact a play suit. I didn't actually know that when I ordered it, but when I put it on I was like, oh, there's shorts inside, which is good because it is actually really quite short. It does come in different lengths though, and I got the petite one, which is why it is extra short. But the way I envision wearing this is with like a very sort of vintage looking mule shoe. I actually have these ones from Louboutin. Well, I don't have them yet, but I ordered them and they're gonna come really soon, and I'll show you guys them in the next vlog. But they're definitely giving vintage, and I think they'll look cute with this. And then like gold earrings and the gold jewellery I've got on. I think it's fun. I think it's really fun. And maybe I should wear my hair up. Maybe if my hair was up like this, then the sleeves would look a little bit better. Like there wouldn't be as much going on. If you could have seen the behind the scenes of this try on, you'd honestly be laughing your heads off. I've been sweating. In between getting changed, I've had this like tall fan on, which is next to me here, which is the ugliest thing ever, blowing really aggressively in my face. I can't keep it on whilst I'm filming because it's so loud. The place is just chaos. I am literally dripping with sweat. The light has been in and out. I've been pushing the camera back and forth. It's just been crazy. My camera's been overheating, the battery has died, but we made it to the last look. I actually have one other thing left on here, but it's just a white shirt, so we're gonna leave that. But this is another dress which I picked up from Abercrombie. It's another contrast. We've done a lot of black and white in this haul, or black and cream should I say. It's another contrast dress. So as you can see, it's got a black kind of corset top to it, and then a puffball cream skirt. I think this is another really fun look. I did eat a bagel today, so I am kind of bloated right now, so we'll just have to ignore that, but I think it's cute. You know, either daytime or evening, no matter where you are, I think it would look good. I did actually forget to show you this chain gold belt. I wonder what it would look like with this dress. Maybe it would look terrible, but we're gonna try it on together. Okay, how do we feel about this? Maybe not. Maybe the gold belt does not go. I feel like it looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Because like the skirt is here, kind of needs to, I don't know, with the bag, I don't know. Maybe the gold belt with this is an absolute not. I do think the gold belt with the cream trousers would look nice. Maybe I should do that before we wrap this up. Okay, the cream outfit is back on. I think this is my favourite look of the whole haul, if I'm honest. I can't wait to wear this, whether it be next week or in autumn. I think it's a really, really gorgeous little look, if I do say so myself. But here's the gold belt with the trousers. What are we thinking? I think it looks nice. I think the cream belt looks better. That's my opinion on it. It does look quite good actually. Better than I thought it was gonna look. Anyway, it's been emotional, it's been hot, it's been sweaty, but I hope you've enjoyed this little haul. I feel like it's honestly been such a long time since I filmed a haul. I felt so rusty. If you got this far, thank you so much for watching. A reminder that everything will be linked down below. If you don't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Lots of love, guys. Goodbye.